Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forrest's song on piano. We'll begin by focusing on the right hand melody. Start by finding middle C and then locate the first few notes of the main theme. Play these notes slowly and evenly, perhaps at a tempo of 60 beats per minute. Practice in small, two-measure phrases until each section feels comfortable and smooth. Next, let's introduce the left hand accompaniment. This piece typically uses a simple chord progression, often involving C major, G major, and F major chords. Play these chords gently, ensuring they support the right hand melody without overpowering it. Aim for a balanced sound where both hands blend harmoniously, perhaps with the left hand playing at about 75% of the right hand's volume. Now, let's add expression through dynamics and pedaling. Experiment with playing some sections softly, like a gentle breeze, and others a bit louder, like a rustling forest. The sustain pedal is crucial for connecting phrases and creating a flowing sound. Press the pedal down after playing a chord and release it before the next, typically every 1 or 2 measures, to avoid muddiness. To master Forrest's song, consistent practice is key. Divide the piece into small, 4-measure segments and practice each one until it's perfect. Gradually increase your tempo by 5 to 10 beats per minute each practice session. Listen to various interpretations of the song to inspire your own unique performance. Remember, patience and persistence will lead to a beautiful rendition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.